Upcoming specs and features of Galaxy S9 Active. Samsung is apparently working on an active version of its flagship Galaxy S9. Now, some key specifications of the upcoming device have leaked online, which gives us a fair view of what Samsung is apparently working on. As for the build and design, I have tried to make a concept of what Galaxy S9 Active could look like. So hit the like button and enjoy rest of the video. Just like its previous Active models, one could expect a rugged version of the flagship, which could feature a shatter-resistant screen, and a military-grade body with a durable metal frame. Coming to the leaked specs, ReadyTricks were able to obtain the specs of the Galaxy S9 Active, bearing model number SMG893. To start with, the smartphone will feature the same 5.8-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED Infinity display, with an aspect ratio of 18.5 by 9, and a screen resolution of 2960 by 1440 pixels. The smartphone will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. On the camera side, the leak reveals Galaxy S9 Active will sport a 12-megapixel sensor, with the variable aperture, so that users will be able to switch between f1.5 and f2.4. For the front, there will be an 8-megapixel sensor for selfies and video calling, which is similarly found in Galaxy S9. The only major difference here is in the battery department. The leak suggests that the smartphone will feature a massive 4000 mAh battery, which is higher than Galaxy S9's 3000 mAh battery. However, there is no way to authenticate this information, so we suggest you take this report with a pinch of salt. Now, after taking a pinch of salt, let's talk about something important. This specs list can be easily faked, and it's not clear how the source obtained it or where from. But if Samsung is making a Galaxy S9 Active, then this is about what we'd expect to see. Other than the battery, the main difference between the Active and the standard S9 is likely to be the design. There's no information on that, but based on past models, we'd expect a flat rather than a curved screen, and a tougher build designed to survive a drop. The source claims the S9 Active will land in Q3 of this year, between July and September. Which would make sense since the Galaxy S8 Active was arrived in August 2017. And when it does arrive, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to buy it. Samsung's Active models typically aren't widely released, with the S8 Active being a US and initially AT&T exclusive. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.